morning, guys. We are on our way for our first day of Kotor. So let's do it. Alright guys, so we're gonna hit the cat museum, the museum, and then I think we're gonna probably try to walk the fortress walls. So right now we're heading towards the museum. Definitely a lot different than Budva, definitely a lot more touristy. So glad I'm not staying here super long, but it's beautiful. Let's go ahead and do the museum. I probably won't be able to take you in, so I'll tell you about it when I get out. Alright, so just finished the Maritime Museum. It was really cool. And now I think I'm heading to the cat museum or food. I haven't decided which one. But I'm definitely not excited about all the tourists. Alright guys, so getting ready to go into the cat museum in Kotor. If you're an animal lover, I suggest you go even if you're not a cat person, because the ticket price that you give helps feed the cats of Kotor, which is super important. And so yeah, I'm super excited. I know it's so nerdy, but it's gonna be fun. Let's see what we got going on. Alright guys, so the cat museum doesn't take very long, but it's really kind of, if you're looking for something a little more odd or off the wall kind of thing to do, it's something really cool. They have some really interesting pictures and stuff, and like I said, the money goes to help feed the cats, so that's important. So yeah, check it out when you're here. It takes maybe 20 minutes. It's really small. So yeah, now it's off to lunch. Alright guys, so I got in late last night, didn't get a chance to kind of show you the room, so I'm going to show you the room a little bit. Here we go. So I am staying at the Old Town Hostel, and this is one of the newly renovated rooms, so pretty cool. That's my little compartment right there. Has a cool like privacy curtain and all that kind of stuff. The cool thing, which hasn't happened in a while, is that the room has an in-room bathroom. So that's pretty cool. So let me show you the view from my room. So this is the view. As you can see, we're really close to harbor because that is a cruise ship, which is probably why there's a mass of humanity in Kotor today. Alright guys, I'll give you a little bit more of the common room later. Alright, bye. Alright guys, so I got swindled. Not even really swindled. I got convinced into going to a sunset barbecue tonight. So that's cool. So I took the other thing off my list. Tomorrow we'll hit the fortress and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm a little stoked about the sunset barbecue. I just hope I don't burn. That's the biggest thing. So lots of sunscreen. Alright guys, back to work. To the top of this mountain for a barbecue. It's amazing, very pretty scenery. Yeah, so let's have some fun. out and about just to get some lunch, go to the ATM, get some food. I'm really not feeling well today, and I tweaked my knee, so unfortunately that means the fortress is out of mind because I barely can walk down the stairs. So always take care of yourself and know that you can go back. So we're out and about for just a little bit, and then we'll back to the room just to work and try to rest this knee up. All right. Like I said, I'm pretty much laid up today. You got to be really careful with the shoe choice. You got to be really mindful of your step when in these European countries, because the steps are often uneven, and I just kind of wasn't paying attention and stepped off and twisted my knee. I'll show you. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. So see right here? You can see it a little bit. So it sucks that I didn't get to do the fortress. It sucks that I didn't get to go on. I was going to go on this booze cruise that was hosted by the hostel, but you have to take care of yourself first, even if there's things you want to do. Make sure you make the right shoe selection and always pay attention to where you walk. Otherwise, you wind up laid up in a hostel room watching Netflix and working instead of drinking and hiking to see glorious landscapes. Let me know. I'm gonna actually wrap up the Kotor vlog here. Let me know if you guys have ever been to Kotor, and hey, my plus size ladies out there that watch this, let me know if you've ever hiked up to the top of the fortress, because I was really concerned with whether I was going to be able to make it without dying. So let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys plan to come to Montenegro. Let me know what you think of the vlogs. And make sure you check out the links in the description below to my blog so you get more great content. And yeah, until next video, guys, safe journeys.